Mechanical and electrical installations will always require a range of fixings and fasteners, based on the isometric sizing that is used worldwide. The Metpro range of fixings and fasteners includes high tensile hexagon headset screws, steel hexagon nuts, hexagon nut caps, top hat rod caps, steel wedge nuts, brass nuts, a range of washers including brass, flat, penny, shake-proof, red fibre and single coil spring, non-drill anchors and setting tools, and roofing bolts and square nuts. Varying grades of steel are used in the most common fixings, which are also finished in bright zinc plating. Washers ensure a better fit of fixings where required, and roofing bolts are generally a standard M6 diameter available in a range of lengths.